Alright, so let's do some Bitcoin here. It's been a while. So yeah, let's start with simple stuff. If you check at like every bear market we had in history of Bitcoin, the first one was 83%, 93% retraced, lasted 6 months. Second one was a bit more than 1 year for 86% retrace. Then 1 year pretty much exactly for 85% retrace. And right now, what do we have? We have 1 year more or less, and we are currently at 76% retracement. So, I mean, for me, because I see some people, they keep calling bottom like they've been doing for last year. I mean, like, is it likely that we're gonna have, like, in terms of percentage retracement, the shortest bear market in Bitcoin's history, while at the same time we have, like, literally the worst, I don't know, fundamental environment with all the Ponzi's collapsing one by one? Doesn't seem super likely to me. So just, you know, if I copy the last two bear markets we had to see 85% retrace, then it takes us to this level, 10k around November. It's also a really nice area of resistance first and support there as well. So yeah, right now I'm thinking probably more downside also, like we just exit this range from June to November, so 5 months of range more or less. We just broke it with a pretty shit close on the weekly without any rejection at all on this candle. Like, you know, usually to think about finding support or bottom, you need to see some wicks to the downside. Like, we don't see any wicks like this, right? It's a really ugly candle here. So yeah, to be honest, I think we probably have more downside at this stage. This entire structure we have here, for me, really reminds me of this entire thing we had here, like this entire range, starting from June as well, and breaking November, so the exact same dates, exact same structure, with like kind of descending triangle, you know, horizontal support, descending triangle, breakdown, first candle closing below, and then, you know, going down until I think mid-December, yeah. So yeah, it really reminds me of this right now, this kind of, you know, descending triangle, horizontal support, breakdown. I would be surprised, to be honest, if we just reclaim this range right now without going lower first. If you just, you know, take this entire structure there, and you just, if I put it at the right size, something like this, and I transpose it here. Well, we have the same target here at 10k. So yeah, that's, you know, really what I'm looking at. I mean, if you look also at all these candles, like we had this previous all-time high at support as support, but now, like, all of this, there's really nothing until this level. So really, I mean, for me, it's it would really surprise me to see a bounce before this. Yeah, last thing I forgot to mention, so if you take your Fibonacci retracement tool from top to bottom, the 618 is also compliant with this 10k level, so That's another thing right there. And yeah, I mean, even if you look at, I don't know, some indicators, let's see, so this EMA, usually it's a really good support here as well. It was. Here we bounce, but when you bounce on it and then you break lower, you have often to go again and find support on it lower before bouncing. So looks like as well like we're gonna touch it if we keep going down like this on the, I don't know, 10-11k level. It was the same thing as well here. First bounce, breakdown, second bounce, third bounce before we rally. So that's for this EMA. I mean, everything looks shit, to be honest. Like, even this moving average, which was like, the big narrative. I mean, look at this. Completely a breakdown, completely trending below it now. So, I don't know, it's really not looking good at all. If you look on the 3-day look at this MACD, for example. So you see the zero line is usually like a really good level to look at. Here it was support during this bull market, right? It was, I think, here the first support, second support, rally, breakdown, break up, zero line, support, re-rally, breakdown, boom, zero line, resistance, huge dump, and again we trended back to the zero line and we bear crossed, death crossed on this MACD. Now we started trending down again. If you look at histogram, we have the first down tick here in red on the 3-day. And the RSI is pretty much the same story, right? The 50 line, so support, trend higher, breakdown, break up, 50 level, support, trend higher, breakdown. I mean, we broke a bit higher there, but basically we rejected again this 50 level, breakdown, 50 level, breakdown, 50 level, and we start breaking down again. So yeah, it really doesn't look so hot right now. I mean, yeah, never say never, yeah, but again, I don't see any particular reason to be particularly bullish right now. On this chart, my take is that we have to go lower first before we can see a bounce. I mean, it's pretty much what it is, yeah. If you look at the total 3, like, it's this blue line, it's the range between mid-August and beginning of November. It's always the same date. It's always, a range. So you have trend up, range, trend up, trend down, range, trend down, down, range down, up, range up. And last year it was actually the reversal, but yeah, this time it looks like, down, range, and down again. And then the next interesting date is usually around 20th of December. I mean, it's, there it was reversal. 2018 it was reversal. 2017 it was not the altcoin top, but the Bitcoin top. Then the alt kept trending a bit. So, yeah, I don't know. I think like very likely I'm gonna have to keep trending lower until mid-December at least. I mean, at least that's what I'm looking at right now. I mean, same thing, yeah. If you take the weekly, like we had a range, and this candle completely broke below this range. So yeah, I think we're still, on this chart where we have an impulse from the top and beginning of November break, and we're doing this wave 5 to the downside currently. That's still what I'm looking at. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed and see you next time. Bye.